Hello everyone. I hope that we are all good. And so welcome to another video. Now, because I haven't done any videos about 3 days now, so I thought I'd do another video today. So, quite recently, I think yesterday, or I don't know when it was, but I received a little present for me that's supposed to operate my car fan. You probably remember my lovely old car fan here. So I very recently received a box of some equipment, a little box of some equipment that can make my car fan turn on inside the house. Because obviously, as we all know, that car fans, they're powered by 12 volt car fan. Obviously, my one is. We obviously all recognise these plugs. They're a cigarette lighter car plug. Sort of plug it's got. And obviously, cars have got cigarette lighter car sockets. And obviously my old car fan has got it. So it was only a few weeks ago that I was clearing out my granddad's wardrobe, right at the top of his wardrobe, and I found my old car fan just sat in there, and I thought, well, that's absolutely brilliant. I've not seen that car fan. I thought, that's absolutely brilliant and absolutely fantastic. I've not seen that car fan for so many years. The reason why my granddad had it at the top of his wardrobe inside was because back in 2014, when I was quite young, I had this car fan brand new, and when I had it brand new, it had a design feature on it that wasn't very safe for me. The back grille on it wasn't very secure, because it does actually have the back grille is actually exposed at the back. I'll just show you guys now. That's what it looks like at the back. And yeah, obviously, as we all know, that isn't very safe. So yeah, so that's, as we all know, that isn't very safe at all. So that's why my granddad, that's why he had to take it away from me. But that was when I was really, really young. But obviously I'm not young now. I'm older now. Yeah, and and obviously I'm older now, so I can have it back, and it's safe for me now. And I have got plans to take this, because I'm going away to the Isle of Wight again, which was where I went last year. Yes, if you guys don't remember, the Isle of Wight, where I went to last year, the Isle of Wight. So the Isle of Wight was where there was the Blackspur 16-inch pedestal fan at the holiday cottage. That was in the Isle of Wight. And yeah, I'm going back to the Isle of Wight this summer, but I'm not going back to that cottage. We're going somewhere else. We're still staying in the Isle of Wight, obviously, but we're not staying in that cottage this year. So anyway, so I'm going to take the car. I'm going to bring the car fan with me in the car to keep me and the dogs cool, because we're going to take the dogs. We took the dogs last year, but I hadn't shown you guys yet the dogs. But this year I shall certainly show the dogs. So yeah. So yeah. Yes. Anyway, so without any further ado, I think So yeah, so just like that. So yeah, I don't know what I said. I think. I know. Yeah, I was just remembering what I said. I think. My granddad might have tested the car fan on the in this box is the equipment that I'll use to turn it on in the house. So sorry, I was going to say that my granddad, sorry. I think my granddad, he might have tested it already. Just check it's all alright, because it's in the off position, the switch on it. But I'll just turn it off, just cause I want to. So yeah. Yes, anyway, so without any further ado, I think I should move the car fan to one side, and we will get the oh sorry, I just want to show you guys, well, before we get the equipment out. Yeah, that's the box it's in, it's just all in there. So anyway, so before we get it all out, I just want to show to you guys that one thing I've got that will definitely come in handy for my car fan. So this is our old car socket extension lead. It's a bit like an extension lead you get in the house, but it's a car one. So you plug it in your cigarette socket if you plug it. So yeah, sorry, I'll start again. Yeah, so you plug in your car socket. You plug in your car plug into your cigarette car socket, and whatever 12-volt car appliance you're using in the car, you just plug it in here. Just got to remove the lid. Actually, I'll move it, because better doing it off camera. There we go. So yeah, so my car fans plug will just connect in there, and it just makes a good little handy extension lead. So yeah. Yes. Anyway, so sorry, I just accidentally hit it on something. So yeah. Yes. Anyway, so without any further ado, let's get the I'll just move my car fan to one side, and we'll get the equipment out of this little box. So yeah, so here it is inside. We've got the first thing to come out. We got the mains cord and plug, and one of these connector pieces. So you've got that, it all smells new. Yeah, my granddad has definitely got it all out and checked it over, because that was what would have been wrapped around this to keep the cord together. So he's definitely opened it and checked it all before he can pass it on to me, and obviously he can pass it on to me now. So yeah. So yeah, he's definitely looked at it first, because obviously we see that that's already open, so he can obviously see that I've already been inside it. No, sorry, he has. So yeah, so here it is. So yeah, so this here is. So yes, that's basically all what it looks like. So and obviously here is where this piece here goes into. So yeah, so it's yes, that's just looks like that. So yeah, got your rating sticker underneath there. And yeah, I think this is approved by Royus. It just says here. Here, approved by Royus. Well, it doesn't say approved by Royus, it just says Royus, but yeah, just like that. we've also got we've also got a little instruction manual for it. It says Reuss on it as well. Yeah, so it's called a it's instructions of 240 volt mains to 12 volt power adapter supply. I don't know what that means. AA, sorry. 96 or 96W, model number MZ adapter AA. Sorry, I just remembered what I thought A meant. I thought A meant amp. I mean, it might do. It might do. It's what the sort of amps that my car fan might have. So yeah, we'll just I'll just put the instructions back in there, and we'll put the box just put the box in the background. Then we can connect all up. Then we can connect up all of this equipment. Then we can switch on my car fan. So I'll just get all of this off first. I'm turning that right. Yeah, I'll turn that right just to get this off. That can go in the box as well. I'll just stretch this out because obviously it's new. It's never been at the box properly before. So yeah, so this is where it will. This is where my car fan's plug will connect. It should. Yeah, there we go. Just connects like that. And obviously could be taken out. Unplugged, should I say? So yeah, I think now we're pretty much ready to start setting everything up. And once I'm all done, we will give my car fan a little run. So I'll just connect up the I'll just connect this up. Don't know if it goes in a specific way. It might. Hold on. There we go. There we go. That's in there. I'll pretty much connect everything up first before actually turning it on. Sorry if you can hear that. But yeah, I've just connected the car fans plug in there. So now I think we are pretty much ready. So I'm just gonna move some bits off my shelf just above the camera, and I might position my car fan just there, and then we'll run the fan for a bit. We'll run the fan for a bit, and then that's it. So sorry about that. So yeah. I'll just sort this out for a sec. Just get the cord over that, and I should hopefully just be able to clip it up here. There we go. That looks suitable. You obviously can see it dangling. I've just clipped the car fan up here. So I think now we can now switch on the car fan. Just got to plug in the power supply. I think that's what else you can call it. So just got to plug in the power supply into my extension lead just here. And yeah, then that's it. So I'll just plug this in, and yeah, that looks like an indicator light there, so that might possibly light up. Oh yeah, it's just turned on. I'll just check that the fan's not in oscillation. It shouldn't be, because I'd like to run it for a few minutes first, and then oh yeah, it's just checking it's in the oscillations in the off position, and yes it is. So I think now I'm just going to position the camera. So I'm just going to position the camera, and then we can pretty much test out the car fan with it plugged in the house. So I'm just going to move the camera over just going to tilt it up slightly. There we go. So yes, it's just clipped up there, and shouldn't be any trouble. What position shall I have it in? I might put it in that position for a change. So yes. Anyway, so without any further ado, I think we can now switch it on. So anyway, so let's go ahead. So I'll just switch it on, and we'll run it for a few minutes on its new power supply. Ready? Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video of seeing my old car fan in action with its new power supply. And so anyway, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see ya.